Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your VPN connection using NordVPN app status checks. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the NordVPN app on your device. Ensure you are logged into your account. Connect to your preferred server from the server list. Once connected, look for the green status indicator. This indicates that your VPN connection is active. Next, navigate to the Status tab within the app. Here, you will see your current server location. Make sure it matches the location you selected. Now, open a web browser on your device. Type in "What is my IP" in the search bar. Visit one of the websites that display your IP address. Check the displayed IP address. It should reflect the location of the server you connected to. If the IP address matches, your VPN connection is verified. In case the IP address does not match, reconnect to the server. You may also switch to a different server if necessary. After reconnection, repeat the IP check to confirm. If everything is correct, you are securely browsing through NordVPN. For further verification, you can check for DNS or WebRTC leaks. Various websites are available for testing leaks. Follow the instructions on those sites to ensure your connection is secure. Once verified, you can browse the internet with confidence. Congratulations, your VPN connection is now fully verified. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.